Hi everyone, it's Riley. Thanks for clicking onto my video. Today I'm going to do a Valentine's look using the Too Faced white peach palette, and it's currently on sale at Sephora for half off, I believe. So that's why I chose to use it. So if you want to get on sale, go get it now. Wear Valentine's look for it. So first thing I'm going to start off with, I'm going to put this pink headband on because Valentine's Day, so why not pink? I like to put a headband in my hair when I'm doing my makeup, just so no makeup. Oh, great look. First thing I'm gonna do is put this Major Hangover face primer all over my face to let it soak in. Please ignore the orange on my hands. I have not washed off my self tan yet. And I'm gonna do eyebrows next after the face primer. I'm using this e.l.f. Wild Brow. I'm just gonna put this. I don't want to do anything too crazy. I'm trying to grow out my brows right now, so they're looking a little crazy. Because I want to get them shaped eventually, so they're just kind of wild right now. And then I'll go in with the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. If you hear a noise, it's a cat. His name's Clyde. He's standing right next to me, but you can't see him right now. He may make an appearance. So I'm just gonna use that and just brush the brows up, make them super nice and fluffy. They'll go down. They won't be like this forever. Okay, so that's brows. Nice and simple. Next, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way multi-use concealer. Oh my, can you hear him? See? Hi Clyde. Don't do that. No, Fluffy. I think he wants attention, so I'm gonna put this all over my eyelids just a little bit, just because I have a lot of veining. I want to clear that out, and it helps the eyeshadow set better, I think, personally. You can do whatever you want. And then I'm just gonna take a wet, damp beauty blender and blend that all in. Now I'm gonna go in with this white peach Too Faced palette, on sale again at Sephora, like I said. And I'm going to use the Mario in Sephora collection, the blending brush. So you can just use any like round blending brush. I'm first gonna go in with Peach Cream, which is the white one. And then just kind of put that all over the lid. I actually haven't decided what color I want to do yet, but that'll be a later decision. I'm gonna go in with Peach Sorbet next, which is that one, and put that on the crease of my lid, just going back and forth, and I'll just add more continuously. Next I'm going to go in with Peach Suede, which is this mauve pink, and just put that in my crease again. It's like when you blink, it's where it's. I'm just gonna blend that all over. Okay, so I added that all on my crease, and then I kind of want to go in. It's a little bit darker, so I'm gonna use the Mario Detail brush, which is like a small little thin brush like this. I'm gonna use Peach Suede again and just kind of add that to darken it up. Kind of do like a V on the outer corner of my eye. I just blended in with the fluffy brush again. Just kind of blend it all. Now I'm gonna go in with Glistening Peach, which is the sparkly one, and I'm just gonna use my finger and put that on the lid. Just kind of sticking to like to the lower half of my eyelid and slash inner corner. I'm not gonna put it all over, but I'm probably just gonna stop about two-thirds of the way over. Okay. The next thing is optional. I just really like these. It's the NYX pigment in the color Stunner. And this just adds a little bit more sparkle. Feel free to do this, you don't have to. I just like to just use a small thin brush, that's what I'd say. And I'm just gonna apply that over the pink that I've already done. And you don't need a lot. And I don't spray it or anything because honestly it's fine. I did the primer, but I'm gonna add this Do You Fresh Glow Luminous Face Primer, also from Too Faced. And this is the color Radiant Caramel. And then I'm just gonna add this on a beauty blender and then blend that all over my face. Just for an extra glow. It's a little dark. And I'm using the Born This Way foundation in light beige. And I'm going to put that all over my face. And always make sure to get the neck, because lines, it doesn't look cute when you have lines. I kind of go over the ear a little bit, just because I self-tan, so my foundation tries to match the rest of my body, so it's a little bit darker. And I don't self-tan my ears, so. And I got a tip from Sophia and Chinzia, who are two English girls. They're best friends, they're hilarious. And Sophia always says, Sophia says to make a double chin so you don't have a line. Embrace that double chin. Next I'm gonna add this, use the concealer, the Born This Way multi-use concealer. And then I'm gonna do that under my eye. Dark. But I like to clean up the eyeshadow line, just kind of drawing a line up. I like to go in with this Too Faced Born This Way Naturally Radiant concealer, and it has a little bit of a brighter color, so I just mix it in. And then I use the Beauty Blender and blend that in. So I'm gonna go in with this You're So Jelly highlighter from Too Faced as well. I'm using a lot of Too Faced products, as you can probably tell. I'm just gonna do like a little C, like that. And then I'll do the other side too. And I'll do the tip of my nose on anything extra and just like a little rest some under my hair. And then I'll use the Beauty Blender and blend that all in. I'm gonna go in with cream contour. I love cream contour because I feel like it looks more natural that way. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. cream contour palette. If I can open it, okay. And then I'm going to use this Morphe brush. I think it's like a stippling brush, a small one. And then I'm just gonna take this medium shade here. Just take that. Kind of put that around my face and that way. just where the sun would hit you on your face. And then I put the extra down my jawline. And I will then blend that out with my beauty blender. Next step is to set it with powder. I'm just gonna use my Mercier translucent setting powder. Cannot talk. And put that under my eyes. And then the leftovers I kind of just put around my face to set it. I will carve out my cheeks, and I'll just kind of try to draw a line to my lips. Like that. And I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put mascara on while this is like setting into my face. And the mascara I'm going to use is the Damn Girl Too Faced mascara. For class, I'm going to take this Morphe brush. I think it's like a bronzer powder brush. Kind of a little bit rounded, fluffy. And I'm just gonna wipe away the setting powder. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna actually go in with a little bronzer. I'm going to go in with this Too Faced Beach Bunny bronzer using a slanted bronzer brush, contour brush. It's very fluffy. It's not like too thin. Just gonna take a little bit of that and then just go around my face with that. Okay. Now I'm gonna use this Sweetie Pie Radiant Matte Bronzer Infused. This. I'm just gonna go in with this e.l.f. highlight in white gold. I'm just gonna put it on the top of my cheekbones like I did before. There we go. I'm gonna take that same highlight but using a small little pencil brush and put that on the tip of my nose. And then down center my nose. I'm going to use the white peach ice and put it on the inner corner of my eye. I'm gonna add a lip gloss now. I don't really want to do, I'm just gonna add this lip gloss because it's one of the only Too Faced lip products I have and I really like it besides that. It's a Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. It will plump your lips for sure. Does hurt a bit. This is my second one of this and it's so worth it. Because you do not, like, that's a dupe for lip injections, so just use this. for setting spray, I'm going to use this soothing aloe mist, and I'm going to put that all over. I like a lot. I feel like it really puts all your makeup down. Yeah. I hope you like this Valentine's inspired makeup look. There's my mirror. I'll do more in the future. If you guys want a specific palette, let me know. But yeah, thanks for watching, and hope everyone has a good Valentine's or Galentine's Day. And bye!